Ever tried hair meditation? In a loving caress of Mother Nature, the dawn of a deep sensorial calm, the most hectic days unwind instantly with the aromatic Queen of Night, Nidradi Oil. It's not an ephemeral luxury spa like Relaxation, but a deep-rooted shift in energy and gorgeous hair right at your dresser whenever you want. Blessed with the benefits of consciousness-soothing blue water lily, drenched in the sweet aroma of chamomile and sandalwood, hair softened by gleaming tender coconut water. In a few pumps, the shine-inducing benefits of vetiver and licorice. When you gently massage your scalp and hair with Nidradi, you enter a natural state of being like Yoga Nidra. All your senses loosened and refreshed. It's a relaxation that encompasses your hair and gently seeps into your mind, slowly unwinding your entire body. Blissful nights and soft, full-bodied hair, curated scientifically.